The Center of Excellence is a monthly meeting we have with different stakeholders within our organization. We review adoption metrics across all our organizations in MaintainX. For every plant that we have, we can identify which sites are lacking in terms of adoption, which sites are doing things well, what can we learn from those sites, and we review new standards, changes to standards, and just give everyone a way to communicate with each other that they might not have in the first place. We began the Center of Excellence about 4 or 5 months ago, and we realized its importance and how it helps us get better when we start reviewing adoption metrics of our bottom performing sites, and we review how to improve those. And then in the following meetings, we see adoption metrics improving from our action plans that we discussed during the meeting.